install Java NetBeans. I have Windows platform, so I'm going to install to Windows platform. I say Java NetBeans. So when I search in the Google, I'll be getting a link for Apache NetBeans. It's a product of Apache. So I right click and I say next. When I go to Apache NetBeans, you will be finding a link here, Apache NetBeans 21, the version. When I click on that, so I will be going to a repository on netbeansapache.org, where I will find the installer, the exe file for this Apache NetBeans 21 for Windows. When I click on that hyperlink, it will be downloaded into the download folder. So it's downloaded already now to the download folder, Apache NetBeans 21. So what I'm going to do, I'm double click on this icon. I'm going to install it in my PC. So when I double click, so they will ask a permission. I say yes. It will start installing. Right. So it will take some time. So the Java NetBeans ID installing now. Right. So the beauty here, so when we are installing NetBeans, so it will be recognizing and it will be identifying where I have installed my Java JDK. So it's required to install Java development kits, and from there it will continue. So I say next. So I say I have accept the license agreement, say next. So he has already recognized where my JDK was installed. It was installed to program file Java. Now the 21 version. I say next, and I say I don't want to check for the updates now. It takes some time, so I say install. So now it start installing Apache NetBeans ID. So which will take some time to install, and after that let's check how do you do the rest.